Good morning, students. Yesterday, we have started this fifth chapter, that is the noun, isn't? And in that, I have explained you about the proper noun yesterday, and I gave you this exercise also. Now, today comes to the next type of noun, that is the common noun. So, what's a common noun? A common noun is the common name of all the things of a group or a class. Okay, means the name which is common to all the things of the group. The name which is common to all the things of the group or class, that is called as a common noun. For example, monkey, the name of the all monkeys. Fan, the name of all fan, isn't it? May be that is ceiling also, table fan also. So any kind of fan. So the fan is the common name. So this is called as a common noun. Lake, the name of all the lakes. Okay, the name of all the lakes. What is the that is, it may be any lake. Okay, because here we are not talking about any particular lake, any particular name is not written. Lake, simply this is the common name of all the lakes, is an lake. So this is called as a common noun. Football, the name of all games of the football, that is the common noun. Can see here also, for example, Ahmedabad, Mysuru and Patna, they all are cities, isn't? Ahmedabad, this is also a city. Mysuru, this is also a city. Patna, this is also, isn't? And what is the common name of all these? That is the city. So city is the common name. And if we are going to talk about this particular name, then this is called as a proper noun. So this is the difference between the proper and the common noun. What's a proper noun? Proper noun means that is the particular identification of anything, any person, place or a thing or any institution, isn't? And the name which is common to all the things of a group, that is called as a common noun. See here, now you can see in the example also, through this also it will become more clear. Here in the exercise time, match the proper noun in column A with the correct common nouns in column B. So what I have done, this side I have done the numbering here in column A. Okay, then it will become easy for you to do the match here like this. So Pritam, Manu, Nilsson. Okay, if we are particularly talking about Pritam, Manu, Nilsson, so what are these? These are the proper noun, because here we are just talking about a particular person here. And it is written also here that in the column A, these all are the names of the proper noun, and in the column B, these all are the names of the common noun. Okay, so you have to match these proper nouns with their common nouns, okay, or with their common names also, you can say. So Pritam, Manu and Nilsson, what are they? These are the names of boy. So here boy. Colgate, Close-Up, Pepsodent, what are these? These are the name of a toothpaste here. Yamuna, Amazon, Tapti, what are these? These are the name of a river here. Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, any person. Who are these? Who are they? They all are the leaders. So this is the leader. Okay. So now I hope that you all have got the difference between the common noun and the proper noun. So Nagpur, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram, what are these? These are the city, isn't? So here city means when we particularize it with their proper name, then it is said to be a proper noun. And when a common name is given to all the common name is given to the group of things, that is said to be a common noun. Okay, and most important thing, that the proper noun or proper noun, it always begins with a capital letter. See here, NDTV, CNN, National Geographic, what are these? These are the channels. So here channel. Okay, then the Hyundai, Maruti, Toyota, what are these? These are the name of car, isn't? So car I have written here, sorry, the number I have written. Diwali, Onam, Eid. What are these? These are the festival. So here, eighth one is the festival. So this exercise you have to complete in your book. Okay, and in the next video I'll explain you about the countable and the uncountable nouns. So thank you.